What is a polarizing filter? A polarizing filter is a tool commonly used in photography and videography to manage reflections, reduce glare, and enhance colors. By selectively blocking certain light waves, a polarizing filter can help you achieve stunning, professional-looking shots. Let's demystify polarizing filters in this visual guide. One of the main benefits of using a polarizing filter is its ability to reduce reflections. Whether you're shooting through glass, water, or any reflective surface, you can minimize or even eliminate those unwanted reflections by rotating the filter. This allows you to capture clear, uninterrupted views without distracting reflections. Another advantage of polarizing filters is their ability to cut through glare. When you're shooting in bright sunlight, a polarizing filter can reduce the intensity of the light, making it easier to see and capture crisp details. This is particularly useful when shooting landscapes or any other scenes with shiny surfaces. But perhaps the most dramatic effect of a polarizing filter is its impact on colors. By selectively filtering out specific wavelengths of light, a polarizing filter can make colors more vibrant and saturated. This is especially noticeable in skies, where a polarizing filter can transform a washed-out, hazy sky into a deep, rich blue. To use a polarizing filter, simply thread it onto the front of your lens. Once attached, you can rotate the filter to control its effects. Remember, the angle of the sun relative to your subject will influence the effectiveness of the filter, so experiment with different rotation angles to achieve the desired results. In conclusion, polarizing filters are a powerful tool to enhance your photography and videography. They reduce reflections, cut through glare, and make colors pop. Now that you understand the basics, go ahead and give it a try. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make in your visuals. Thanks for watching this visual guide on demystifying polarizing filters. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more photography and videography tips.